You know what day it is, right?
International Flaming Corn on the Cob Hat Day?
No.
Is it Paint a Wrestling Mask on Your Face Day?
No, but that is a good look for you. You really don't know what day it is, huh?
Come on, what day is it? Stupid brain? Huh?
Happy birthday.
Oh, boy, I love birthdays. Oh, wait. I'm thinking things. Aha! It must be her birthday. But I don't have a present for her. Wait a minute. What's Buzz got that I don't got?
Whoa!
Winnie wants the gift of chiseled muscle eye candy. Ooh.
I wonder where Woody is.
Winnie!
Huh?
Oh, Winnie! Come and check out my swole shoulders and check out these massive high-caliber guns. Winnie? Winnie?
I'm down here, Woody. What have you been doing? Even your toes have muscles.
Oh well. Back to being on model. Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Whoops, wrong decade.
Woody, let me just tell you what day it is.
I know what day it is. Whoa! I bet you'd like a plane ride. Welcome to Air Woodpecker. This is Captain Woody speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts and make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position. Thank you.
Woody, are you sure you know how to fly this thing? Woody?
Yeah, of course. It's easy. All you have to do is, oh, wait. Here we go.
Woody, look out for the ducks! Woody, look out! Mountain!
That is it! I'm moving back to Florida!
Look out for those trees! Woody! Sheep!
Oh, sheep!
Woody, can't you stop this crazy plane?
Oh, here we go. Uh-oh.
Woody, will you please just stop and listen to me for a second?
Man, she's tough to buy for. What is it she wants for her birthday? Ooh,
Ooh.
cake! Duh, everyone wants cake for their birthday.
Oh, my cake!
Huh? Winnie! Oh, Winnie! Ta-da! Happy birthday, Winnie. Here's your cake.
Ooh! Did someone say cake?
Whoa. Oops.
I've been trying to tell you all day. It's not my birthday, it's yours.
It's my birthday?
And I got us some tickets to the soccer finals.
Woohoo! What could be better than soccer tickets?
A cake. Oh, like loud neighbors.
So, tell me, Woody, what day is my birthday?
Your birthday?